little kitty cat.
Possible. Also, we say our exclusive March party.
AMG.
Got all the BMWs.
Oh, there's a Porsche I want to show you.
Sure.
There's a really cool Porsche.
Look at
that
how
looks
much
like James
similar these BMWs look.
You familiar with this cool, huh?
Yeah, it's very cool.
Where that guy is?
Wow.
That's like the James Dean.
James Dean, Jimmy Dean,
Jimmy Dean.
1955.
1955 spot.
The gate is now officially closed. Any friends?
Beamer.
Yep. Try to make it pretty good.
Good looking Porsche.
Yeah. I talked to somebody on the phone yesterday from like an internet company. Their name was Porsche.
Really?
Spelled different. Yep.
Volkswagen.
It does, yeah.
It is.
That's a nice one, yeah.
It's from Illinois, I think.
Oh,
I think it has an Illinois plate.
Yeah.
Not sure.
yeah, it is.
It's lighter than a British racing green. Man, that's pretty tough.
Look at Grandpa's here today.
Come on, sit over here. Can't reach. Can't reach you.
He probably knows that. There
He's
we
just
go.
stand just within reach. Come here. Come on. Come on, bud.
It looks like he's pretty content, though.
Yeah.
Hello, my friend. That was a fun car show. Mm-hmm. I think Cinnabon would have enjoyed it if he would have enjoyed the travel part of it. But I'm going to go outside for a little bit, buddy. I don't think I'll be out there long. I'm going to try to fill this up with berries, make one last batch because the mosquitoes are so bad out there. So I got this long coat on. Yeah, so I'm going to keep you inside, buddy, okay? I know you don't like that, but I got to go out there real quick. I don't want you to venture too far because it's mosquito nastiness out there. So I'll be back, okay? I'll be back inside, okay, Mr. Boo Boo? Be back inside. Yeah. You rest now. You've been outside almost all day. You should take a nap. Yeah, okay. No, I'll be back inside shortly, okay? Okay, so it was pretty bad out there again with mosquitoes, and I had an unfortunate mishap where I dumped about a third of what you see now, unfortunately, and so I can probably only make one more jar instead of the two I originally planned, but yeah, it's pretty bad, maybe a little bit better than yesterday as far as mosquitoes go. So I'm gonna wait about 2 or 3 days and see if it gets any better. And I do notice the berries are a little bit on a decline, so maybe we're getting towards the end of the season. But hey, we'll at least get, hopefully, at least one more jar with this. So we'll see. Where's my baby? Huh, where'd the baby go? Where'd the little baby go? Is he under my bed? He likes to go under my bed sometimes. Someone new under the bed? Let's take a look. Oh, hi, mister. Oh, how you doing? I don't know if you can see him. Do you want to go downstairs and play, mister? Hmm? Oh, you want to stay in there? Okay, I'll leave you alone. When he wants to play, we can play. Well, we were able to get another jar. Not bad. It's still pretty hot. Hey, look who's joining his daddy. Hey, oh, hi, mister. Well, I bet you're pretty tired after being outside most of the day, huh? I'm pretty tired after that long car show, too. Oh, he's stepping on my chest. That's okay. That's okay, mister. I think Cinnabon found his favorite seat. He's a tired baby today, huh? You a tired kitty? Okay, well, that's what happens when you're a hard worker. Yeah, all right. Well, sweet dreams, my friend.